In the old days, surface prep was done with primitive blast pots that pumped out tons of pulverized silica dust, making containment difficult or impossible. If you still struggle with sandblasting, it's time to bring your operation into the 21st century with Dustless Blasting. Dustless Blasting is the simplest, most reliable blast system on the market. It uses water to suppress dust, and since water has a higher density than air, it can remove coatings a dry blaster can't, like multiple layers of powder coat, super thick non-skid coatings, heavy corrosion, and everything in between. It also uses up to 30% less abrasive to do the same work as a sandblaster. And with only a few valves and one knob to adjust, your crew won't have any trouble learning how to use it. And if reliability is your #1 concern, look no further. Dustless Blasting is made in the USA and tested to the highest standards with a lifetime warranty. And with our patented clog-free feed system, you'll get trouble-free operation with consistent uptime. And since the water in our system reduces friction, wear parts are mostly eliminated, making routine maintenance a thing of the past. And now the whole line is available conveniently in our online store. You can even break up your payments with instant financing through Klarna.